Hello, everyone. Today we are going to practice Chapter 9, Lesson 3, Day 4. So once you log onto Blackboard, as always, click on Social Studies 5. Make sure that it is 5E at the top. And we are going to scroll down to Chapter 9, Lesson 3, The World Turned Upside Down. And your assignment for today is to click on the folder to open it up, and we are going to work on Day 4. So scroll down and find Day 4. And today we're going to work on The World Turned Upside Down, Cause and Effect, and a Chapter 9 vocab review. Please make sure to use your textbooks to help you answer both of these assignments. The first assignment, World Turned Upside Down, is a cause and effect. You're going to turn to your textbook, click on View Assessment, and we are going to begin. Remember to look at the question, read both prompts, and then click on Submitted Answers to determine which one is a cause and which one is an effect. Remember, the cause is because of something that happened, what was the effect? All right, so your cause is the thing that happened to make something else happen, the effect of that. Go ahead and try it. Good luck. Don't forget, use your textbook to help you.